Have you ever wondered how the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system was discovered? Well, here's a fun fact for you. Mercury, named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger to the gods, wasn't actually discovered in the way we typically understand. This elusive planet has been known to humanity since antiquity, and hence, it doesn't have a discoverer in the conventional sense. Our first recorded observations of Mercury take us back to the Sumerians in the 14th century BC. These ancient people, known for their advancements in astronomy, were the first to document this small, swift planet. However, their understanding of Mercury, much like ours for a long time, was quite limited. Despite being known since ancient times, it was not until the 16th century that we started understanding Mercury a bit more. Stick around as we delve deeper into the journey of understanding this quicksilver planet in the next scene. How much do we really know about this mysterious planet that orbits so close to the Sun? Our understanding of Mercury has been a long journey, starting with the first telescopic observations by Galileo Galilei. Galileo, in the early 17th century, peered up at the night sky and saw Mercury, but his rudimentary telescope could not discern much about this tiny nearby planet. Fast forward to the 1960s, and we see a significant leap in our knowledge. The Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico used radar to map Mercury's surface, giving us a much more detailed picture. This was a huge step forward, but Mercury still held many secrets under its rocky surface. Then, in the mid-70s, we took another giant leap. Mariner 10, the first spacecraft to visit Mercury, made 3 flybys of the planet between 1974 and 1975. This mission revealed that Mercury, despite its tiny size and proximity to the Sun, has a thin atmosphere, known as an exosphere, and a magnetic field. These discoveries were unexpected and raised new questions about how such a small planet could generate a magnetic field and maintain an atmosphere. The most profound shift in our understanding of Mercury came with the MESSENGER mission, which orbited the planet from 2004 to 2015. This mission changed our view of Mercury from a barren, cratered, moon-like world to a dynamic planet with a complex geological history. MESSENGER revealed a landscape marked by volcanic activity and impact craters, and it discovered something truly surprising: evidence of water ice in Mercury's permanently shadowed craters. Yes, on this planet that skirts so close to the Sun, there are places cold enough to hold water ice. The MESSENGER mission was an odyssey of discovery that spanned over a decade. It has drastically changed our understanding of this small yet intriguing planet. From Galileo's first glimpse to MESSENGER's detailed survey, our knowledge of Mercury has grown exponentially. Yet, as is often the case in science, each answer we find only leads to more questions. The MESSENGER mission has drastically changed our understanding of this small yet intriguing planet. So, what's the latest scoop on Mercury? Our understanding of this mysterious planet has been revolutionized by 2 significant missions. The MESSENGER probe, which orbited Mercury for 4 years, and the ongoing Bepi-Colombo mission, launched by the European and Japanese space agencies in 2018. One of the most astonishing findings from MESSENGER was the discovery of organics and volatile materials. This confirms that Mercury's surface is far more active than we previously thought. It's not just a barren, scorched rock. It's a dynamic world that holds a fascinating story of planetary evolution. Now, let's talk about the Bepi-Colombo mission. It's currently on its way to Mercury, promising to deliver even more exciting insights. One of the key goals of this mission is to understand Mercury's exosphere, a thin atmosphere-like volume surrounding the planet. This understanding is crucial because the exosphere is directly affected by the solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the Sun. Scientists are particularly interested in how Mercury, being the closest planet to the Sun, interacts with this solar wind. As the solar wind hits Mercury, it can kick up atoms from the surface into the exosphere, creating a unique interaction that we're just beginning to understand. As we continue to probe and explore, we realize that our knowledge of Mercury is far from complete. There's so much more to discover about this tiny planet that dances so close to the Sun. Mercury, it seems, still has many secrets left to reveal. So, what have we learned about this small celestial body? We've journeyed from its initial discovery through the early telescopic observations to the first spacecraft visit. We've delved into the intriguing MESSENGER mission and explored the latest findings from ongoing research. Each revelation has brought us closer to understanding Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. From a mere point of light in the sky to a world of its own, Mercury continues to fascinate and challenge our understanding of the solar system.